Here's how to find the determinant of any given matrix. So let's press mode 6 to get to the matrix, and we can store it in any table. Let's store it in number 1, which is matrix A. What kind of matrix is it? Let's say it's a 2 by 2 matrix. So we'll press option 5. So we're going to fill in the details of the matrix, maybe 1, 2, 3, and 5. All right. So now that we've stored it, the next thing you want to do is to go back home, press shift 4, and you see that number 7 option says determinants of shift 4 again, and you are going to press number 3 for matrix A. So this is determinant of matrix A. When you press equal to, the determinant is -1. That is how to get the determinant with a calculator. Here's how to find the inverse of any given matrix. So first of all, we want to fill in the matrix into the calculator. We'll press mode 6, and we can fill it into math A, and it's a 3 by 3 matrix. So we're going to press option 1. So we are going to fill in the details with whatever details we have in the question. All right. So this is the matrix. And after storing it in matrix A, we are going to press the on button to go back home. Then shift 4, and we see the matrix A as option 3. So we press matrix A, and we're going to press this button for inverse. So this is the inverse. So when you press equal to, it gives you a table showing the values of the inverse of that 3 by 3 matrix. How to find the transpose of a matrix using calculator. So we simply press mode, and we'll go to matrix number 6. And we store it in any math number, which is math A, for example. Let's say it's a 2 by 2 matrix. So we click on number 5, and then we are going to put in the values 1, let's say 12, 15, 18, and 21. So after storing this information, we are going to go back home. I'm going to press shift 4, and we see number 8 that says transpose, TRN. We are going to press 8. So that's transpose of shift 4 again. Number 3 is matrix A. So this is transpose of matrix A, and when you press equal to, it gives you the transpose. It has transposed the matrix for you. Here's how to solve for the dot product of two vectors. So the first step is to go to vector mode. We'll press mode, and we'll press 8. And we are going to choose vector A to store data into vector A. So let's say the vector has the ijk component, so choose option 1. So the I component can be 2, the j component can be 3, and the k component can be 4. We'll press equal to. Then we go back to the home screen. We press mode again. We press 8. Now we choose option 2 for vector B, and we choose number 1 again. So the ijk components are 4, 5, and 6, for instance. So after filling this, we go home, and we are going to press shift 5 for vectors. So we are going to press option 3. This is vector A, shift 5 again. Then we press option 7. So this is vector A dot with shift 5 again. Vector B is option 4. So this is vector A and vector B, the dot product of the two vectors. When you press equal to, you get your answer. That is how to use a calculator to find the dot product of two vectors. Here's how to multiply two complex numbers using your calculator. So we want to go to complex mode by pressing mode and 2. So now we are in complex mode. So we can actually multiply two complex numbers. For example, 3 plus 2i. This is the I button. Multiplied by 4 plus 4i. And that gives us 4 plus 20i. That is how to use a calculator to solve complex numbers.